Welcome back to the shop, guys. So now we've got a recoil assembly from a vintage Homelite XL12. This is the older style. Notice where the rope goes, there's actually a slot that makes these very easy to get a rope in and out of. Also, instead of a plastic or nylon bushing, this version has a bronze bushing. Lasts a long time this way. This one does have a brand new rope and it works great. The on-off switch is there, and yes, it does work. There is a little bit of color fading on the white and some blue paint that's chipped, but it's a really nice case and it does work well. Great for your vintage saw, great for the one in the camp or the backyard. Click on the link below for pictures and details, or to buy this part right now at a very affordable price. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.